Hello, this is Vollstart with Appointment Desk for WordPress. So let's discuss now how calendars are working. Within the calendar area, you can add calendars and you can open the default booking page. If you have more than one calendar, you can decide to show and display the online booking element on your own pages using the shortcodes. They are listed in here like this. You have a lot of possibilities to configure how it could look and what should be displayed and when. Let's jump right into this appointment calendar here. You have the booking page. Since we have only one, this and this is the same button. We can open this. And then you see column-based booking page. I added a custom field to ask for a download or for an upload file. And then that's why this is displayed. This is not default. You decide what you want to ask or not. And if you want to ask anything, the email address is mandatory. Otherwise, from here, your user cannot keep this information. So then we can copy the shortcode for each calendar. Or if you know the ID, you can do this by yourself manually. You can feed your Outlook with the ICS calendar feed. And you have services for each calendar. Services are more or less what you offer within your calendar. If you have different services, let's open the service. Then I added one that's here, consulting. And you can add this, how long it should be. This, of course, adapts then within the chooser for the slot. You can add the prep time. You can add the cleanup time. Both of them can be configured also globally. And you can override them within your calendar. And then the slot will be bigger or blocked. You can decide to offer this with payment, and the price can be entered in here. It's not automatically connected to a payment system. It's more like you're showing your user that want to book this service. They will have to pay at your location then. There is planned in business and pro version that you can connect this directly to WooCommerce via payment connections. You can add some extras here. Haircut, something like this, a special one. So they're booking online already, even the services. If you want to do this, it's not only consulting. You could add specific products you are offering within your booking slot, and also the duration can be added. Okay, let's remove this. Cancel. If you in the calendar, you have a lot to add. First of all, the name, of course. This will be displayed also to your customers in your booking page. You can add an optional description, an internal description, just visible with you and your colleagues. You have the possibility to add text that helps them to understand how to book appointment with your system. You can add the location. This will be added also to the calendar file and in the emails so that they are still available. You have the booking URL again here, and you can regenerate a booking URL code in case you have issues and people are spamming your calendar. Then the calendar identification code will be renewed, and from that point on, the other URL links will no longer work. You can decide color and the capacity mode. If you choose for a fixed number, this slot will be available until all the appointments are made within this slot. Or you go with the teams you assign to this calendar, and then you say one slot per staff member. If you have 2 staff members, then 2 slots will be booked before this time is closed. You can activate this, and it will be not available. Then you can decide to add business hours per week, and you can add them in the options, but you can override them always in the calendar too, and then just add your own business hours for this specific calendar. You can add special days just for this calendar and control more or less how the booking are available or not. You can add teams, 1 or more. You can also go with directly with the user itself. Then which fields are available depends. If you use this as a booking calendar, then you should fill this out. If it's just a queue, you can ignore this. But this allows you to control which fields are displayed within the booking page and what you're asking for, mandatory or not. This is the required. You have block times that can be added, and you can decide to add additional custom fields, and this could be anything, text area, select, checkbox, file upload. Then the advanced booking allows you to control when is the latest time they are allowed to book an appointment for the hour and how many days can be booked ahead of time. So maybe 1 month, or in this case, it's just 1 year. The doubled opt-in allows you to prevent people using email addresses that are not from them and creating bookings. Then you can always enable this or disable this, or you go with the global setting and you fix this in the options. The customer self-service allows you to hand out the URL. They will get this also with the email, and they can change the appointments by themselves. If you allow this, you can override this here, or you go with the global settings. This same with the edit. If you allow them to change files, to upload them. This is not related to the additional custom field. It's an own file uploading area. Then you have the walk-in queue. You can activate this and decide the prefix, and the no-show time out can be added. You can auto-assign the ticket, or you allow your colleagues to choose, I take the next one. Totally up to you. You can override this always in the calendar. Again, you have this in the options too for the global. The public kiosk displayed, pages enabled, yes or no. You decide. The URL will be available once this is activated. The display mode allows you to define, is it just one number that will be displayed on the monitor, on the TV, or per desk? And each desk is basically a staff member. Again, you have virtual and you have normal one. We will see this in a few seconds. The virtual one allows you to change the name and just display a name. This controls how your kiosk system will look like. The orientation can be changed here. And the show now serving area on pull page can be activated. If it's activated, then additional to the pull now button, there will be also a small list of the next number that is basically awaited on the counter. You can choose the themes, light and dark, and upload also your own themes if needed in the options. Then you can show bottom bar on the TV display, and they can see how many people or how long is the queue. The numbers will be displayed additional in the queue at the bottom. You can ask for a field, an additional one. If you don't want it, just remove the label. Without the label, it will not be displayed. And if you display this, you can also decide that it's required. Maybe they need to type in a number or a license plate number, something like this. And the reset, if nothing happens, is default 15 seconds. You can choose this for your own needs.